Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's video, I will show you how to send message in Messenger without internet. Well, the first thing that you need to do is to open your Messenger account for us to assess if we can send or not in Messenger using our mobile data. Okay, as you can observe, as I send message here on Messenger, using only my mobile data, I cannot send a message. Well, for me to be able to send a message, especially when I'm in an emergency, is to go to Google Chrome and then search free.facebook.com and then go to messages and send a message to someone that I want to contact with. So that is how to send a message on Messenger even if you don't have internet. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you and have a great day.